Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a kite. First, find a clean, open space, ideally a grassy area, to lay out all your equipment. Carefully unpack your kite, control bar, lines, and pump, ensuring nothing is tangled. Take a moment to identify each component: the kite canopy, the 4 flying lines, the bridle system, and the control bar itself. This initial organization makes the entire setup process much smoother and quicker. Next, carefully unroll your flying lines, making sure they are completely free of any twists or knots. Most control bars have 4 lines, 2 power lines, and 2 steering lines, often color-coded for easy identification. Connect each line to its corresponding attachment point on the kite's bridle system. It is crucial to double-check every connection to ensure it is secure and correctly oriented, preventing any issues during flight. Now it is time to give your kite its shape. If you have an inflatable kite, use your pump to inflate the leading edge and the individual struts. Aim for a firm, but not rock-hard, inflation, typically around 5 to 7 psi, to prevent damage. For foil kites, simply lay them out and allow the natural wind to fill their air cells, giving them their aerodynamic form. This step is vital for the kite's structural integrity. Before launching, perform a thorough final check. Walk the entire length of your lines, ensuring they are completely clear of any obstructions or tangles. Position your kite at the edge of the wind window, typically with the leading edge facing the wind. If you have a launch assistant, communicate clearly with them about your intentions. A clear signal ensures a smooth and safe takeoff, getting you airborne in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.